Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. St. Mary High School defended their overall title at the Eastern Athletics Championships on Tuesday at the National Stadium. They also retained the girls' title, while Port Antonio High walked away as boys' champions. Renata Brown now reports.
There were 3 records on the day as St. Mary High and Port Antonio High were crowned respective girls and boys champions at the National Stadium. Alexia Austin, who took gold in the Class 3 80-meter hurdles last year, proved her class in her first year in the Class 2 100-meter hurdles by breaking the record of 14.74 seconds set by Felicia Ferron in 2020. The Glengoff High School athlete stopped the clock in 14.52 seconds to finish ahead of Acacia Dixon of Buff Bay 17.45. In the field, Shantoy Chambers from Oberlin broke the girls' Class 1 shot put record with a mark of 11.26 meters, beating the old mark of 10.86. The other record also came in the field in the boys' javelin open, as Javane Edwards, also of Oberlin, produced 53.24 meters to erase the old mark of 52.33. Other notable performances on the day came from Champs Class 3 800-meter bronze medalist Sean Walters, who defended her Class 2 1500-meter title before also taking the 800-meter event for St. Mary High. First-year Class 2 sprinter Shantae Price of St. Mary High also completed a double, first winning the 100 meters in 12.28 seconds. Shantae Price gets up very well. Shantae Price is dismissing this field. Look at the Class 3 winner from 2020 go in this Class 2 event. 12.57 the flash time. She then stopped the clock in 24.81 seconds in taking section 2 of the 200 meters and the overall event. Ainsley Brown of Port Antonio was also impressive in capturing the Class 2 15 800-meter double. He won the 1500 meters in 4 minutes 43.65 seconds before returning to take the 800 meters in 2 minutes 03.35. At the end of the championships, St. Mary High amassed 260.5 points to defend their girls' title, with Buff Bay second with 204 and Titchfield third on 191.5. On the boys' side, Port Antonio ended with 230 points, with Titchfield and Buff Bay second and third with 203 and 151 points respectively. St. Mary High also topped the combined team standings. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.